Okay, so Joseph Thompson, you are the CEO of AIDTech. I suppose first of all explain what AIDTech is.
Sure. So AIDTech is a company that leverages blockchain technology, and we use the technology to increase transparency, eliminate fraud and corruption across aid, welfare, and donations.
Where did the idea for it come from?
So AIDTech was born by mistake in the Sahara Desert, believe it or not. I ran an event called the Marathon des Sables. It's a 151-mile race in the Sahara Desert. I raised over $120,000. This is back in 2009, and all the money went missing. I had no traceability. I could not see where the impact of the money went. So that kind of led me to believe there must be a better solution out there that we can actually track and trace where money actually goes. And then 2014, that's when we actually brought AIDTech to life, when we saw the potential for blockchain technology.
And has it been adopted then widely around the world since then?
Yes, well, we're very fortunate that we've won multiple awards. We're the first company in the world to deliver international aid using blockchain. We also have the first baby in the world born on the blockchain with a big project in Tanzania. And we recently signed a 2 million people contract with Women's World Banking based out in New York. So we're looking to scale to at least 10 million people over the next 2 years.
So on the ground, in terms of NGOs using this technology, I mean, what are the practical benefits of using it?
So for an NGO or a money manager of one of these organizations, they basically have transparency and traceability of exactly where the money goes. So the beauty of blockchain is you cannot have the same transaction twice. So you actually eliminate fraud and corruption. But it's much bigger than just aid. We're actually doing welfare delivery services in Singapore. We're actually winning an award from the US government for actually tracking pre-disaster money after natural disasters from FEMA. So governments now actually have complete transparency and traceability of the flows of money, but they can actually measure their impact better, how their money is being used, where the bang for the buck is actually going.
Why have you come to Davos?
So I'm in Davos. Very fortunately, I was named the Social Entrepreneur of the Year for the Schwab Foundation back in New York in September, and I'm also the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal Pioneer for blockchain technology.
And what are you going to be doing while you're here?
So I'm very fortunately going to be presenting on 2 events inside the Congress Centre here at Davos. One is on philanthropy and blockchain, and the other is blockchain for social good. I'll be also having some fantastic meetings on the side as well.
Do you think a gathering like this, an event like this, is actually beneficial to those that attend it, or is it just a talking shop?
Great question. I think by being on the inside now and seeing the focus on impact over the next 10 years of the Sustainable Development Goals, and you can bring such high-level people in to commit money to solve some of the world's biggest problems, because they're going to be some of the world's biggest opportunities. I can understand people's view looking from outside looking in, but once you're here and you see what people are trying to do, it's actually incredible. It's really brilliant, so I'm all for it.